The SKAT-350 is designed for deep reconnaissance missions, aerial surveillance, and detection in optical and infrared ranges. The wingspan of SKAT-350 is 3.2 meters and has a maximum payload of 15 kilograms. The drone can be airborne for up to 4 hours. The operating altitudes are between 300 and 2,000 meters. Its cruising speed of 120 kilometers per hour. The SKAT-350 deployment capability of its launch and catapult system within 15 minutes. The engine is electric. The flight range with radio and video signal support is up to 100 kilometers. The platform has an electric motor and has a bungee or catapult launched with automatic or semi-automatic parachute recovery.